This is a potential crypto project on Telegram which is poised to make you rich effortlessly. Guys, trust me, this is Doc's project, right? It's a project supported by the Telegram CEO himself. It was launched a couple of days ago, and as I'm talking right now, guys, this project is really gaining traction. Let me show you something here. I really wanted to show you guys something here. So this is a post by the Docs community on X on Twitter, okay? And look at something very funny but serious happening here. So they said, welcome to Docs. We are thrilled to launch the most Telegram native meme coin. Join us on this exciting journey and be part of our growing community. Stay tuned for updates. So as I said earlier, this is the most native Telegram coin that you don't have to joke about. This is solely dependent on how old your Telegram account is. In this video, I'm actually going to show you how to start mining this coin. There is a problem some people are facing, and I'm going to help you in solving it. And at last, I'm also going to reveal a very prominent strategy for you to get unlimited referrals on any crypto project that you embark on. So we are going to use Docs as an example. So let me show you something here, guys. So these guys made this post on X, and look at the reply they got. Can you see that? Almighty Notcoin welcoming them, right? This shows this is gonna be a great project. Guys, when you go on Twitter, you see it's even at the trending section. It's the coin trending now. All the key opinion leaders, most people, the giants in the crypto space, I am even shocked about this project, guys. So you don't have to joke about it at all. Kindly check the link in the description section of this very video. Make sure you join. So let's go back to the app and I'll explain something to you guys before we move on. So what you see here is my own account on Docs. I think I joined yesterday, I joined yesterday. But after I joined, I wanted to confirm it's a legit, it's a project that's going to pay us before I even share with my community. So for those in the community, I think most of them have joined, and I'm really happy for that. Okay, so currently I have 3,700 Docs. You can imagine, and this was actually based on my account age. Can you see that? If you are a Telegram premium user, I think there's also a special reward for you. And my invited friends have also given me 625 Docs. So I already told you guys, this airdrop is strictly based on your account age. After that, if you are a Telegram premium user, there's also a reward for you. And also you see, this project, you don't have to mine anything, you don't have to be tapping any, you don't have to be performing any tasks. As you join and your points are calculated, just that's the only thing you have. But hey, there's a catch. You can actually increase your earnings potentially, and that's by referrals, right? There are some people who will say, hey, I don't have friends to invite, I don't have this, I don't have that, blah blah blah. Referral is very difficult for me. Stay with me, guys. I'm going to reveal a very secret strategy that I normally use to acquire referrals in case the need arise, and I'm gonna share that with you right in this particular video. So stay with me, okay? So after you've gotten your own, you just have to click on you just have to click on friends, and as you do that, this is so you can see the people I've invited. I've not even input the strategy I'm about to show you, right? But I now have 5 referrals, and the first person gave me 208 Docs, the second one 42 Docs. You can see these are people I don't even know. Starkan gave me 42, Kojo gave me 154 Docs, Chikani also gave me 179 Docs. Chikani, big ups to you. He's actually a brother way back in College of Education, right? So you click on invite link, and then you can share this. Okay, let me put it on in this group, right? So right after you drop it in the group like this, you just copy your link, and this is where, let's go to Twitter and I'll show you how to go about it. Okay guys, this is my X account, and look at what I'm going to do. Okay, the project is about Docs. So when I come to Twitter, I'll search for the official handle Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let's go back. Sorry guys, sorry. Okay guys, so when you come to Twitter, search for the official handle of that particular project that you need the referrals on. Okay, so you can see there's people trying to scam newbies here. That's one of the reasons why you need to be subscribed to our channel. Any official update, we will post it for you guys. You can see, because dog project is trending, people are trying to scam others, and trust me, these guys will surely amass wealth, because there are people who don't verify, who just believe everything they see online, and those people are mostly trapped. You see, this isn't the official page of dogs, so seeing anything like this, you don't have to live your life on. If you see something you want to confirm, you can go even to Telegram in their announcement channel and you see it for yourself. So no matter how convincing a post is, don't believe it. Make sure you verify first, irrespective of who sent you. Doing this in crypto, guys, this is a pro security tips that I'm giving to you here. All right, so let's search for their official handle on Twitter. It's gonna help you a lot. This is the official handle, so always make sure you take information from this one alone. Forget about this, forget about that, this one too, forget about this. This is what you have to be using. Okay, so I will just click on the community, follow the video with rapt attention. Guys, I'm giving you a golden secret here. Please don't forget to like the video for me. You like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also drop a comment, at least it helps us to grow. So when you come to their handle, first follow them, click on the follow button. Not only that, do this, make sure you turn on the notification function. Okay, so to get notifications, you need to turn them on in your settings. So you click on settings, you go back there, and then you allow it. So when you turn on notification for this handle, anytime they post, you'll be notified. So let me show you something. Okay, so they posted this 23 hours ago. They made this post 23 hours ago, right? So let's say if you've turned on notification for this handle by that time, immediately they post in less than 5 seconds, you are going to be notified. So all you have to do with your referral link is to come under the comment section. Let's see something. It has reached almost 64k people, right? So just come to the comment section here, right, in order to reply them, and type something nice. So let me say yo guys, please don't miss this project. All right, just write something good, right? Something convincing for whoever come across your reply. Okay, so let me drop my link here. So provided you were notified, or I was notified in less than 3 or 5 seconds this post was made, I would have been the first one to comment under it, and this would have been the comment I'll be dropping. Okay, so once cannot retrieve post, blah 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 blah. So once your comment become first under such a viral post, most people who are not even on the project coming across here are going to use your link. Let's say if 100 people should see your post or your reply, at least you are going to get like 10 of them. Okay, this is how to actually get unlimited referrals. In fact, I have so many strategies I use in case getting referrals become crucial in a project, and I promise you guys I'll be revealing all of them to you. So that's all for no guys, no, that's not all. There's also one particular topic I need to address. That's people who are finding it difficult to register. Let me show you something. Alright guys, so here is a solution to this particular problem. There are some people trying to join the docs project, right? The docs crypto airdrop by Telegram, and this actually the problem they are going through. They try to open it, and all you see is this feedback, right? The dog with these 2 signs, meaning the sign up isn't going to be successful, right? So how are you going to fix this? Let me show you. That's the main reason for this very video. So please, if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly do so now. Like the video, drop a comment, and also join our communities for important updates like this. You know, that's the reason why we are here. So all this means is you don't have a username for your Telegram account. Okay, you even if you have some in mind, maybe you have not set it on the app. So just cancel this, go back, and then I'll show you how to do this. Okay, when you open your Telegram account, just click on the menu icon. So this is the main account I'm using. So here I'll just click on my profile, right? My profile. And can you see that here all I have to do is to select edit, that tool, that edit tool. Okay, your bio, your birthday, your name. Okay, sorry guys, we are not clicking on this, but rather we'll have to select the menu button, right? Select that 3 dots. Okay, all you have to do is to select these dots, right? And then you click on set username. Click on set username. So you enter the username you want to use on Telegram. Okay, so let me enter Crypto Fountain. The link is already taken. Oh my god. Okay, let me add one. Okay, this one is also taken. Let me add Academy, Crypto Fountain Academy. I think this one might work. All right, so okay, so I chose Crypto Fountain Worldwide and this one worked. Okay, so all I have to do is to click on that guy to confirm it. So let's wait for this username to be set. So now my username on Telegram is Crypto Fountain Worldwide, right? If anyone is to search for this username, it's gonna bring them to me. Now let's go back. We open the docs bot and you see something. This being the docs bot, right? I'll just click on it. Okay, so since we are now going to redo it, let's click on these 3 dots and then we'll select clear history, right? We'll clear, also delete for docs. Here we'll delete for everyone. All right, so once the history is cleared, we'll open it again, right? So here all you have to do is to click on start and then let's wait for the outcome. How cool is your Telegram profile? All right, can you now see that, guys? At this level, congratulations, you are done. All right, so how cool is your Telegram profile? Check your rating and receive rewards. All right, so let's go.